All right. Well, hello, everyone. My name is Tiffany Phillips, a student with iMarkets Live. And what I'm going to do today is show you all how to use MetaTrader 4 from your Android phone. So if you take a look here, I have my Forex little folder. You're going to go ahead and click on MetaTrader 4. And if you need to add an account, you simply click to the left at the top like I just did, and here's one of my accounts. You can click manage accounts, which is right here, and all of your accounts that you have will show in this particular area. Okay. So, for example, I practice pending orders. So I would click on pending orders, and once I click sign in, that account will automatically pop up. So you just scroll up and down. Now, if you wanted to add a broker, you click the plus sign, click log into existing account. You would find your broker. So let's say you have Hugo's Way. You punch it in, and look, Hugo's Way demo pops up, then Hugo's Way real. Let's say it's demo. You will have to check your email for your login and password. You will enter it and then click OK. So I'll just go back a couple screens. So we're going to stay with this account that I currently have. So to get back, you press the upper left-hand corner, those three lines. Let's go ahead and plus that to get back to it. So now we want to get to our quote screen. Down here in the lower left-hand corner with the arrows, these are your pairs. Sorry, move this over. These are your pairs. So let's say you want to trade GBP USD. You scroll down and find it. But let's say GBP USD was not there. How do you add a pair? Add. Always think of the plus sign right here, okay? Now, I'm looking for a Forex pair, so I'm going to click Forex. And let's just say Euro USD for this example is what we want. Let's pretend it's not there. You want to click on the magnifying glass in the upper right hand corner, and you're going to put EURUSD, and then you can click search, and there we are. So you click on whichever one, and then you have to press the back arrow in the upper left hand corner to get back. Just keep pressing it, and then you scroll to the bottom. There you have Euro USD. Now I just tapped it and all these options came up. New order, open chart, symbol properties, and simple view mode. So let's go ahead and review what new order does. You click on there. Here's where you enter an order. Okay, so remember, we have 5 orders. Market execution, where you're getting in the market instantly for a buy or sell. A buy limit, which means you believe that price, well, we're not going to go that far. We're just going to go over buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. These are the 5 types of orders that you'll enter. Then you want to control your lot size. You have the option to just punch it in. To the left and to the right, you can press to plus or minus. I like to be in control, so I just punch my lot sizes in. So let's say we want a 10-cent lot. That's what it looks like. If you want a dollar lot, that's what that looks like. If you want a $10 lot, $100 lot, excuse me. There you have it, okay? So that's how you punch in your lot sizes. Here is where you would tell the market where to put your stop loss at, okay, for a market execution, okay? To the left is your stop loss. To the right, which is green, is your take profit. And for a market execution, if you look down here to the left above my numbers, If you're selling by market, you would hit sell. If you're buying by market, you would put buy. However, look at what it looks like when it's not, when it's either a stop or a limit order. This is what it looks like. You have to tell MetaTrader 4 what price you want to go into the market at. So we see right here, you see where all those numbers are flashing and moving, the market's moving. We would enter the market, for example purposes, 1.15, if it was a buy, 490. A buy is above this number here, okay? You will put your stop loss and your take profit. Now this spread might be a little bit high, so that's why it's not changing colors. So let's go ahead and put something in real so you guys will see it. So 1.1590. Don't forget your pipette. 4. Now you see how it changed? That order was entered. Okay? So price hasn't gotten there. That's why it didn't start moving or anything like that. You know, the order hadn't been placed. So I want to delete that. I just slide my screen to the left, click that check mark, and delete that. So let's go back. Let's continue to use Euro USD as an example. The first time we went over it, we looked at how to put an order in. This time we're going to look at how to open a chart. Open chart. So now I have my, this would have been good to get in on, Jeepers Creepers. Now I have my screen here that's showing my chart. How do you change your time frames? Well, you simply tap anywhere on the screen. So now we're on the 1 hour time frame. Now I can do the 4 hour time frame. Now I can do the daily. So you're just tapping the screen and going where you want it to go. Okay. Now, let's say you want to add some indicators. You can tap the screen. Oh, you see where that F is on the wheel? Or there's an F right up here. When you want to add an indicator, you press F plus right here to the right. These are all the indicators that you'll need. Now you see how down here I have the MACD. Let's go ahead and press the F button again. You can get there anyway. So I'm going to delete it so you can see how I got it. That shows you how to delete something. So if I want to add that MACD, I press the F. There's the MACD. I'm just going to keep those settings. But let's say I wanted to put another MACD on top of it. Click your screen, press the F. I'm going to go down here to the indicator window 1 because that's where I want to add the second MACD. And I'll just change this setting just for those purposes so you can see. Now, this isn't anything that we will be looking at, but if I wanted to add a second one, that's how it will be done. So again, you're just tapping the screen to bring the wheel up. You can press F. I'm going to delete those. And that's done. Okay. Now, let's take a look at this right here. This shows you your balance, equity, and your free margin. This will show you your history of trades. Now, I closed this trade out. But this is so cool because you can press the calendar and literally change and see. Now, clearly, I haven't been in this demo account in a while, but you can customize the dates. You can make it today, last week, last month, last 3 months, and then you can just customize it. Okay? If you press the up and down, it shows you opening time, closing time, profit, and symbol. Okay? Press the $sign. It'll even let you break it down to the pairs. All right. They have news that will come up, and then this is where you can register for messages and things of that nature. All right, so if we go to the upper right hand corner from this main screen, you see what looks like a piece of paper with a plus. This is a shortcut to entering, okay? It's a shortcut to entering an order. If you take a look at the clock, that's another option to get to your time frame. If you take a look at the $signs, that's another way to get to your pairs. So there are shortcuts everywhere. Now this plus next to the MetaTrader 4 sign, that's what you call a crosshair. If you simply tap it, you can use this to kind of key in on where price is, move it around, things of that nature. Okay? Now, at the bottom, you'll see here where it says October the 12th and the time, October the 11th. We're on the 1 hour time frame. So that is the date and time. And on the right, these are the price levels for the trades. Okay. These are your prices. So I hope you guys enjoyed the overview. Oh, I forgot to click on this right here. So this gets you to your quote screen underneath your manage accounts, your charts, your trades, your history. So it's just another section of the things that we've gone over. And settings is also cool. You can go in here and change properties. You can customize the color of your background and things of that nature. If you go back, you have journals. It shows what you've done with this particular MT4 platform. And then about it educates you. We do not use MetaTrader 5 under any circumstances. All right, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. And I'm going to stop sharing my screen and we are done.